All right, this is a 2018 Hyundai Sonata. So this switch move backward and also move forward. The back seat will move backward, but it will not move forward. Yeah, I do have the switch right here, and here is the part number. It's right here, and let's go ahead install it. All right, gently pry this out. There we go. This one's pretty simple. Then this guy is hooked up here, so all you have to do is press that like inward, sideward, maybe. Yeah, it's right here. There we go. It's here. It's hooked up right there. All right, so all we have to do is unplug the connector now. There we go. Before we transfer it, let's make sure this switch will fix the problem. There you have it. It moves forward, guys. Okay. So yeah, this is fixed. All we have to do now is transfer this. All right, let's go ahead and pry this out gently. There we go. Oops, I got a wrong tool. All right, make sure it's seated properly. Yep. Then line this up. Press it in. There we go. Same thing here. It's right there. Sweet. Don't know what happened here, but we're just gonna fix it up a little bit. There we go. All right, so we're back here. Plug the connector. Come on. There we go. Then make sure this guy right here will hooked up on the bar right here, and this one. So first I'm gonna go ahead and hook this up right there. Think you got it. Then line this up, hook it up. There you go. There. Oh, look at that. It's fixed. There we go. It works. Make sure it's properly installed here too. Yep, we're good to go. Thank you guys for watching. Have a great day. Bye.